Hey guys, how you doing today? Just wanted to make this quick video on the TCM on a Ford Focus or Fiesta. But before you buy it, you need to be aware of a few things. At the Ford dealer, there is an extended coverage regardless of your mileage on the car. And that goes up until next year, 2025. I'll get the exact date when that extended coverage expires and put it in the description below. But yeah, if you suspect you have a TCM problem, have Ford diagnose it. And if it's a TCM problem, it gets replaced for free. If it's not a TCM problem, then you'll have to pay the diagnosis fee at the dealership, which might be about $150 to $180. However, then you'll know exactly what's wrong for sure. However, if for whatever reason you want to do it yourself, order it yourself, I've got some helpful tips for you. Before you go spending, $500 or so at the dealership to get one of these, check eBay. Go to a junkyard if you want. Try to find one that says K05 right there. That is the latest design hardware in here, and I have never seen one fail. I was a Ford tech for 10 years and specialized in transmissions, did a whole lot of these. So if you can find a used K05, you'll be getting a real bargain there. At a junkyard, I feel like that would be extremely cheap. And if you were to get one on eBay, you don't have to worry about bringing your tools and taking it off of the car at the junkyard. And you'll also get a warranty with that too. Well, junkyards would have warranty as well, so either way you should be covered. But yeah, just wanted to mention that. You can get a used K05 TCM and get a very reliable service part that way. You can also program it yourself using Foreskin. Apologies for the dirty table here. I will put a link in the description below as well to another YouTuber who has a great tutorial for how to program the TCM using Foreskin. Do keep note that if you want to program it yourself with Foreskin, you may need to email them, the support team at Foreskin, because I believe that feature is only accessible by getting the beta version of the Foreskin. And that's something that you'll have to ask them for, because a lot of people have been having issues with bricking the modules while they're trying to program it. So they're kind of holding it back from us now until they figure that out, from my understanding. I could be wrong there, but... And I'll also link my video on how to replace this. It's very easy. Just make sure you keep the O-rings on there, get some new ones ideally, and put some silicone grease on them. But yeah, just wanted to make this video here for you guys. Try to save you a bunch of money. Get a used part that's just as reliable as a new part. And heck, I've heard stories about the Ford dealer handing out brand new TCMs that are the old style, so... If you get a new TCM from the dealer and it does not say K05, it says something older there, then they may have given you an old service part, but either way you'd have warranty on that. But the purpose of replacing it would be to get the more reliable parts. So, all right, I hope this video helps somebody out. You guys have a fantastic day. If you have any questions, let me know below. Also got a Facebook and Discord group with a bunch of other people that'll be willing to help you out as well. I'm going to put this video in my playlist full of Ford Focus transmission videos. If that interests you, please check out that playlist. You go on my channel and you click on the playlist tab, and you'll see it. I've got 50, 60 videos in there, I believe, something like that. It could be off, but this Ford Focus and Fiesta transmission, I've got videos of how to do pretty much anything to it or diagnose any code. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay.